Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 13A Gardener Crescent in Leven. This is a stunning 4-bedroom, 2-reception detached property on a substantial plot with a vast amount of parking, a garage, beautifully presented inside as well. It is such a high standard in this property and the attention to detail is incredible. We're set as well just at the corner of a really quiet cul-de-sac, making it a perfect family home. So let me take you on the tour, show you how beautiful this property is and everything that it has to offer, and keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, 13A. As you can see, on a brilliant plot tucked away right in the corner, as I say, and you've got substantial amount of parking, so perfect for family, friends visiting. So this is all yours here. Let me see if I can get it all in the lens so you can just see how big of a plot you get. Now there is a gate there just for access directly on to the street, because about a 30-second walk and you have Aldi's just around the corner, so perfect. But this is all of yours here. You have your garage, which is an electric door. It then has light, power, cabinets down the side, sink in there as well, so it is perfect. But this is all of your property, and as I say, it's tucked away nice and quiet, so we're set back at the dead end of a quiet cul-de-sac, and then we're set back, so it's perfect location as well, making it a brilliant family home. But let's head inside, start the tour, because I'm excited to show you this one, and of course the attention to detail throughout. As always, we're going to start upstairs. Now you've got a WC just behind that door there. As I say, let's head upstairs. So high standard, as I say, even just look at the attention to detail on your doors, and then we'll head upstairs. So you've got that designer radiator, and that's throughout the whole property, so it is finished to a really high standard, even to the chrome fixtures and fittings. So we're going to start off into the master, so great sized master room. So nice and bright in here as well, and there's plenty that I love about this master, which I'll show you as we go through. So as I say, great size and a great addition, and I'm sure you're going to love this, is you then step into this great sized walk-in wardrobe, which you probably weren't expecting, so this is a great treat. And look at that, the light just come on for us. So plenty of storage, such a good size. So I'm sure you're already thinking how you can fill this. And then again, you've got your designer radiator, and as I say, look at the detail from obviously the hardware and those doors. Love that. Nice and bright as well, this property, which you'll see as we go throughout. And then we come into your contemporary ensuite. So this is a great sized master room. So you've got that great sized rainfall thermostatic walk-in shower, your wash hand vanity unit, heated towel rail and WC. So that is your master done. Then we come along, so you've got storage just behind that door there. Then we come along and you've got another bedroom just here. So currently obviously a nursery for the wee one. But again, great sized room, and look at how bright it is, and you've got such a great outlook as well. So nice and bright, not overlooked either, so that's perfect. Further storage just behind that door there. Then we come into the next bedroom, so a great size, really generous sized room. And I can't wait to show you the surprise again with this one. Honestly, this property just keeps on giving. So you've got your designer radiator behind the door just there. Great size, and then as I say, nice and bright, and you've got the countryside view to the rear. Then we come into a Jack and Jill bathroom space, so there's a surprise with this which you'll see. So contemporary again. So within this space here you have your wash hand basin, heated towel rail, WC, I love the mosaic tile floor, and then a large walk-in thermostatic shower. So again, such a great addition to this property, really contemporary. So we've just came through that bedroom here, and as I say, it's a Jack and Jill. So then we can actually lead through into another bedroom. So isn't that great? Perfect if you have obviously children, guests, etc. But it's such a great addition. And then you come into another really generous sized bedroom. You've got all of this space here as well. And then each side of the sliding doors in both the rooms, you do have storage in that extra space just there. And they do have sliding doors, so obviously you can close that off for privacy. So you just slide that across like so. And it reveals your mirrored wardrobe, and as I say, it's storage there. So such a great addition. And then, as I say, you're coming into this really generous sized bedroom. So then going back along the hallway, and another feature I want to show you, because as I say, the attention to detail is incredible, is you have obviously the downlighters going along. So it really is a high standard property. Then we come into your family bathroom. So if you're keeping count by now, this is the third one. So this is your family bathroom. So you have your wash hand basin, vanity unit, heated towel rail, WC, and then your bath as well. So great family bathroom. So that's your 3 bathrooms up here, and then obviously your bedrooms. But isn't this just really high standard property so far? And the theme continues, and I cannot wait to show you downstairs of this property. So we'll head down. Now, as I say, you have the WC down here. So great if you have guests over, save them needing to go upstairs. So wash hand basin, just a WC, and then again heated towel rail. So lovely contemporary finish and a perfect addition for the downstairs level. So saving the best till. Isn't this just the wow factor as soon as you step into this space? So you can see why I was saving the best till last, because look at this for a family open plan kitchen dining space. Just incredible. So much space to really utilise and get it to work for you and your family, even from obviously having this shoes and coat and boot area. Large window letting the natural light flood in, outlook over your private drive as you saw. Again, designer radiator and the downlighters throughout. So it really is a really high standard property. Now we're going to come back to the kitchen, so don't worry, that's just a sneak peek. But such an incredible space for you and your family. But look at this, stepping down into your really generous sized living space. It's almost like a cinema room stepping into here, because it's such a great size. So you have those really big patio doors letting all that natural light flood in, but also giving you access into your landscape garden. So you can just imagine those opening in the summer months and family and friends coming in and out. Again, your downlighters throughout on that drop ceiling. Windows to the front, again letting that light flood in. You've got 3 designer radiators in this space. You've got obviously that cabinet along the wall just there for storage, and then it does match your TV media unit that's on that wall just there. So all really contemporary and such a great size. Let me just show you it from the other angle just to give you hopefully a true idea of how big this space is. But isn't this just incredible? Hopefully by now you're picturing family, friends in here, socialising, catching up at the end of a busy day. And as I say, I just love the fact that we then step back up into this space. So back into our dining kitchen. You really can't get over the size of this property. It's just incredible. And the finish as well. Such a high standard and really contemporary, even from the gloss, obviously high finished tiles that go throughout. But this is your kitchen space. So further patio doors as well, again giving you access to your landscape garden. And then this is your kitchen space. Isn't this just beautiful? Large islands, you've got your sink, you've got your integrated hob. Great addition as well. If you've got a keen eye, you've probably spotted the wine chillers just there. Plenty of cabinet space. Goes all the way around. So plenty of storage, even from the detail of obviously the downlighters in the kickboards. You've got that fully walled fitted cabinets. So again, ample storage. You've got your 2 integrated ovens. You've even got an area there for the coffee machine, which is another plus. And then on this end just here you have your drawers as well. But isn't this just amazing? Such a great kitchen. And then what is another plus is you've got this extra addition of a utility space. So for all your white goods, and then you can just keep all of the mess tucked away in here with your further cabinet space, and then a utility sink. So that's just a great addition tucked off the kitchen. But look at this. This is just incredible. Such a high standard, ready to move in and ready to start socialising and entertaining in the summer months. And then let me show you just from this angle so you can get a true idea of the size. I absolutely love this property. So let's head outside, show you the landscape garden, and we'll recap the property. So straight away as we step out, you can see really well presented family garden, landscaped as well, so it's beautiful, low maintenance, which is perfect as well, so you can just spend more time enjoying this space. Now just to our left here we have a patio area, so you can just imagine those patio doors open, you can have seating just there, you do have your gate for access to the front of the property, and then you have this AstroTurf area here, so low maintenance, which is perfect. Then you have this summer house hut, which is perfect, and as you can see, perfectly set up for barbecuing, so great for the summer months for family, friends, socialising, entertaining. It's just brilliant. Then it wraps around just here, then you can see large outdoor storage, and then that is the back of your garage, which is perfect, so you can get access this way. And as I say, don't forget you've got down one side of the wall is fitted cabinets, you've got an outdoor tap, power and light, but that's access also. So if you don't need to use it as a garage, you could easily have it as an outdoor workshop. But this is your outdoor garden space, so brilliant for the family. And then just to give you a look from the rear at your property, that is your further patio doors, and again you can just imagine in the summer months having this open. It's just perfect. So this is everything you get with your property. So let's recap 13A. That was the personal property tour for 13A Garden Crescent in Leven. As you've just seen for yourself, a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-reception detached property on a substantial plot with ample off-street parking. Great addition with the garage that could easily be a workshop also. Offset on the dead end of a really quiet cul-de-sac, so it's the perfect location for a family home. Stepping inside, you've got that great addition of the Jack and Jill bathroom, your master with the walk-in wardrobe, the ensuite. Then getting to come downstairs and you have that high standard contemporary kitchen with the great addition of the utility space. Then walking through, you've got that really large open plan family dining space, and then you get to step outside to this beautiful private landscape garden to the rear. You're getting the perfect family home while having a great location and everything on your doorstep, because don't forget, I said about 30-second, if that walk, you are to CUL-DE and further amenities. Also just a short walk or drive and you can be at Leven Town Centre, where there's further amenities and leisure facilities. What's great as well is the commuting links from here, because Leven Train Station is now open. Plus you have the bus station, so plenty of ways to connect across routes across Fife, Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond. So everything on your doorstep while getting an incredible, really high standard family home. So if you'd like to get further details, you can click the link on the video, message me directly, or alternatively you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at Fife Properties TV, take care.